Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Busy Dad, and today, Busy Dad is cooking tacos. My friends would call this a street taco. I'm not sure what defines a street taco. To me, it's one that's small. If you're gonna make these, one of these is not enough for one person usually. This dish is all about assembly. So we're not going to show chopping. We're not going to show grilling chicken. We're going to show how to put this together. Come on, let's get started. So we are going to start by heating up very gently a corn tortilla. Why are we heating it up? It's important this be hot, because when it's hot, we're going to put some cheese on top of it and then some hot chicken on top of that. We want that cheese to melt when it starts hitting this. So don't burn it, but heat it up. If you like a wheat tortilla instead of corn, that will be tasty too. Now as soon as that tortilla comes off, we're going to start the assembly process. This dish is all about assembly. So first go to hot ingredients. Our cheese is already cooking. Just add some grilled chicken. It is not critical this chicken be grilled just prior to making this, but it is important that it be hot. So now that we've got our hot ingredients, it's time for the toppings. So first I'm going on some white onion, chopped up, and then a little bit of cilantro. If you're one of those crazy people that don't like cilantro, that's okay. You can just leave that off. Then, I'm gonna give it a little bit of hot sauce. I make my own, and it's amazing. But there is nothing wrong with getting your hot sauce or your salsa out of a jar. There are a lot of ingredients going on here, so it's good not to spend a ton of time with every single one. Now on top of this, I'm going to call this guacamole, but I'm not totally convinced that it is. It's more like an avocado sauce. It has the same stuff in it though. Avocado, salt, lemon, and that's the base of any good guacamole. Now doesn't this look amazing? But if you want your extra special tacos to be extra, you could add, as I'm going to, a slice of grilled pineapple or mango. And now it's time for the best part. We get to try what we've made. It's so good. And it doesn't look quite as pretty once I've been munching on it. But I hope you like it when you make this for yourself. It's pretty easy, and it will be a big hit. If you like this video, if you want to see more videos about cooking even though you're busy, make sure to subscribe or hit the bell so you get another video like this from YouTube at some point in the future. Please like this, leave a comment, most importantly, share this with somebody that you know. Help me grow the channel. I cook every day. I don't always film it. When I do, I post it here so you can see. Join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.